contact Ilhan for a while. Okay, Shaheed, you got any questions for me? No questions. Okay, just give me one moment. Let me go and contact Ilhan. See, hold on. Okay. Okay, I think we will revise is your CA1 on still, or is it over already? Cannot hear you.
Haven't started. Next week, next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday. Okay, so we will revise lah. Okay, we will revise. Just hold on. Just one second. Let me just we give another. Okay, I think we'll start with that. We don't have much time. Where is the share screen for a while? Okay. All right. So this is the CHIJ paper 216. Can we? Maybe no. We just do question 1 and question 1 first. No using calculator. Question 1. So how much you think you can score for your CA1? Any idea? You can get A, no? Possible. Have you gotten an A in P5 so far?
No.
Primary 4? Do you get A primary 4?
Yeah.
P4? Yes. Okay. So hopefully you can get an A, inshallah. Okay, we do not know, inshallah. Okay, what's your answer for question? Okay, Ilhan is coming in now. Okay, what's your answer for question number 1? Okay. Assalamualaikum, Mr. Ilhan. Hello, Ilhan. Assalamualaikum. Okay, come. Let us start with this. We are doing question 1. Ilhan, you were quite early. For what you give me a shock, I thought you move. Then you saw there was another Ilhan behind you. I thought you maybe might be somewhat linked to the jinn. It's not. Okay, Ilhan, we are doing question number 1 without using calculator. What is the answer? Please. Zahin, you can send your answer by, by chat. You send me. You got answer not, Zahin? Ilhan, your answer for question number 1, please. Paging from Mr. Ilhan. Congratulations, Zahin. Ilhan, 350 times 4,000. Actually, for me, I like to do it. No problem. Okay, for me, I will do like this. No, I take 3,5 times 2. What's the answer? 3 times 3. Zahin, 3,5 times 2. Mentally, can you get 70? So it's supposed to times 4. So I got to times another 2 because I take instead of 3,5 times 4, I break it to times 2, then times 2. I can do this mentally, is it? 35 times 2 mentally, I know it's 70. 70 times 2, 140. So I put 140. All right. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I put 140 down here like that. And then I add the number of zeros, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put 1, 2, 3, and 4. So every 3 zeros, 3, this so it's 1,400,000. Zain, can you just read this number for me? Hold on. I will, hold on. Zain, you read this? Hold on. Okay, we are just testing. Zain, can you read this number for me? This one. What's his number, Zain? No, not 1, 2, 3. You must tell me the number. Unmute yourself.
1,400,000. Yeah, 1,400,000.
Okay, this one, yes. Okay. So Zahin, this one, next one, Zahin. This one, Zahin. Later we will test Ilhan also. Zahin, what number is that, Zahin? Can Zahin? Ilhan can or Ilhan? The number below. What number is it?
1,200,000. 200.
Not 1 million.
12,345,000 and
Okay, so wrong. So what we do, every 3 digits
1
we put
million.
comma. Hold on, 3 digits, comma. 3 digits, comma. So down here is like you got 3 digits. This is 788, 787, 450,000, 123 million, 450,000, 788, 78 is 787. So you group it by 3s, you can see. This 1, 10, 100. So now down here is 1,000, right? Down here is million. The next one is billion. Okay, we'll test you again. We'll try now. Hold on. Okay, Ilhan can read this one. This number. You must know this number because this is the amount of money you will have in your bank. If you want to. Cannot read this number means you cannot have this amount of money. So it all depends whether... I cannot hear you. You're on mute, huh? I think you'll be telling me something. Okay, what's the number?
78,000. 78 million. 100,000.
127,000.
Yeah, 127,000. 401.
Okay, good. Okay, now Zahin. Hold on, Zahin. Hold on. What number is this, Zahin? Come, unmute yourself. Unmute, Zahin. Unmute. If you don't know this number, you cannot get amount of money inside your bank. Unmute.
72,434,712.
Good, well done. Okay, both of you will get about this amount credited to you. Inshallah. Okay. Inshallah lah. One day Allah might give you that. Okay, this one I don't think it's coming out for your exam, so we are now. This one. This one you need to understand fraction. Log, you know what's log, right? It's a big wood. Big wood, If you do not know what's log, I'll draw for you. Log. Ini log lah. Okay, you can say out the answer, no problem. Mr. Ilhan or Zahin, what do you think the answer is? You must understand what the question is saying, and then you will be able to do it. Zahin, you got to answer, Zahin. Do you understand the question first? Okay, if you don't understand, I'm going to give you this question. I'm going to change TikTok. I'm going to change, all right? I'll change your question, all right? Watch, Watch, okay? Let's say now down here. I'll change this one. A 40 kg log was sawn into 5 pieces. What is one piece? How to do? Just say, tell me how to do. What's the working?
40 divided by 5.
Do the same thing then. Do the same thing. Whenever you get to something difficult, go to something easy, then do the same steps. Follow the same steps. And then you will be able to do it. Come, Ilhan, do nice ponytail at the back. I didn't know you have ponytail. Was no ponytail. For a while, you look at ponytail.
1 hour 40.
1 hour 40. So the same thing down here. Okay. So there's now you put 40 kg divided by 5. Do the same thing. So again, now this is the principle you use right until sec 4, whatever. Okay. You put now, there's now 40 divided by 5. Now down here we put 1 over 8 divided by 5. Divide by 5 over 1, right? And then now when you change to times, this thing will do a flip, right? Right? So 1 over 8. So top times top. 1 times 1 is 1. 8 times 5 is 40. All right? Easy, yeah? Okay, easy. You know what this means? If let's say I were to draw for you, it means like this. I want you to understand fully, so I'm explaining you in different ways. And this will be my style all the way. You have your kayu balak. They call it kayu balak, I think. So now you have, how many pieces? 8 pieces, is it? 8 pieces. So like this, this is half, half, half. Now 1 like that. 1 like this now. This 1 piece like that, like your dartboard, they are going to cut into 5 pieces. So maybe they cut like this. I don't know how like that. For example, like this, something like that, like pizza. Like that. So they ask you, 1 piece down here is how much? Oh, this is 1 out of, well, this one is out of 5, but there's 8 of them, 8 of this, right? So imagine if this one is 5 parts, 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 there's 40 parts. So it's 1 out of 5 times 40. Sorry, there's 40 parts, 1 over 40. Because down here, each one there's 5. So this 1 out of the whole 40 parts. I hope you're getting it. Hope you're getting it. Ilhan, wake up, Ilhan. You say do got no ponytail. I can see the ponytail. Nice, huh? You kata tak ada ponytail. Okay, now. This one, please, you are able to find it. If you do not know, how? This is guessing. Your 20-cent coins. What's the weight roughly? This one, many Singaporeans are very big at this. So make a guess, make a guess, make a guess. All right, Ilhan, Sahil, what's the answer? Guess, guess, guess. Guess, guess, guess. Ilhan, guess. Zahin, guess. Ilhan, what's your answer? Zahin, what's your answer? Guess lah. Don't be scared. Come guess lah, eh. Teka lah, teka-teki. Number 3. Okay, what about Zahin? What do you say? Number 3 also, do you agree? Number 3? Number 2. All right. Even number 3 is a little bit too heavy because this one now you have, let's say 4 times I go on 1 kg. Too heavy. So this is 2 kg. This one is 2 kg. This is like almost 1/4 kg. 1/4 kg is quite heavy. This one 22 grams lah, roughly. It could be 30 grams. It could be 50 grams, but it's not more than 100 grams. All right, the next one then. This, if you cannot see, I will enlarge this. This down here is divide. This one is plus. And go, please. Can you use calculator? No using a calculator. Ilhan, which one do you do first? Minus, divide, or plus? Do you do minus? Do you do divide?
Divide.
Divide first. So let's do the divide then. Zahid, you can send me your answer on the chat. Okay. Try to target an A for your CA1, and if not an A, a B like this. Zahid, finish it, Zahid. Okay, what about Ilhan? This one, how much, Ilhan? What's the answer for this one?
9.
9. Okay, then
9
from
plus
here, do
8 equal
no,
8.
don't. You must do left to right now.
Oh, yeah.
Once there's left to right, minus 10 lah, minus 10 first. 144 minus 10, how much? Then you plus 1. Notice mentally I do minus 10 plus 1. Your answer, please, Mr. Ilhan. Which one? Number 4, huh? Okay, congratulations. Now, how do I do this mentally? 144 minus 9. I take 144 minus 10. I minus 1 extra, I get 134. But I minus 1 extra, I must plus back the 1. So become 135 plus 8, 143. All right, that's how I do it, okay? Again, apologies, I need to clear the screen. Here, Eva and Jenny's collected 1,728 stamps altogether. Altogether, they got the net that number of stamps. For every 2 stamps Eva collected, Jenny's collected 7 stamps. They are giving you a ratio here. That means for every stamp Eva has, if Eva has 2 stamps, Jenny's will have 7 stamps. They are giving you a ratio. How many more stamps did Jenny's have collected more than Eva? And go. No using calculator, please. We are trying to complete this by. You have to understand ratio here. Zain know how to do, Zain? Ilhan know how to do, Anyone got an answer? Please just send your answer. Zain? Zahin done, eh? You can tell me what your answer. You can type in your answer. Let's see. What's typing? What about Ilhan? Okay, what about Ilhan? Okay, I'll tell you what. I'll show you two methods. One algebra and one that thing. Okay, first of all, down here. They say for every 2 stems, so I can write like that. Look, I can use, not algebra, I use, so now one is Eva. Eva, number of stems, Eva is to Janice. So now Eva got 2, Janice got 7. Altogether, how many units are there, Mr. Zahin? Total. How many
9.
units? So 9 units is equals to 1, 7, 2, 8. So find 1 unit lah, 1 unit. 1, 7 to 8 divided by 9. Okay, divided by 9. Then you will get your answer lah. What's your answer in a moment? Then the next thing is, they say, how many more stems did Janice collect than Eva? The difference is how many units, Ilhan? Janice got 7 units. Eva got 2 units. What's the difference? Mr.
7 minus 2 got 5 units.
5. So you find 5 units lah. You find 5 units and then you get answer. Okay, you know how to do? Can you calculate, please? You calculate and tell me. Just give me one moment. Okay. What's answers, boys? Anyone?
960.
960. Congratulations. Okay, that's what it is lah. The difference is 960. Okay. Now, if let's say I'm just going to show you, no need to show you the second method. This one now. Please try the next one. Again, you have ratio here or fractions. Which one you want? You choose. You can even draw model. So down here, when you're given like that, remember that this 1 down here refers to the necklace. This 4 refers to the watch. Okay, you can do a ratio. Anyone got? Anyone? Zahin, you got? Ilhan, you got? Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Ilhan. What about Zahin? Ilhan, you can check. No. Okay, one get 104, the other one get 35. Okay, let me go step by step. Okay, we see one by one. Again, number one, I can draw a model. 1 unit is necklace. 4 units is a watch. Altogether, how many? 5 units. This 5 units is equals to $140. 5 units. Right? So you find 1 unit now. 1 unit is how much? Well, you divide by 4 lah. Divide by 5.
26.
How much you get? 28,
26.
right? 26 ah. 28 lah. I think it's 28 lah. 28. So divide by 5, you get 28. Okay. Now you want to find the watch, no? 4 units. So times 4, 28 times 4, you get 112. Okay. You get this answer here. Or you want to do by ratio method, you can put this is necklace is to watch. This one is 1 is to 4. The whole thing is 5 units, right? 5 units is equals to 140. 140 divided by 5, you get 28. You want to find price of watch times by 4. Zahin, okay? You know what I'm talking about, huh? It's not too difficult. Zahin, in your mind, you must believe you can do it. Okay, you must believe, huh? Okay, all right, we try again the next one. This one, please. It's a decimal. All right, this is wrong. It is a decimal already. Joker lah. And this one is wrong. This is already a decimal. What are you talking about? Mungkin as a percentage. As a percentage, just times by 100. All right, just times 0.15 times by 100. And then you get 15%. Okay, try it. Volume, you know the formula, right, Zain? Length times breadth times height, huh? Once you get answer, just tell me.
Lupa, aku tak tahu kalau abang buat something. Dah minum. So ni the one. This one.
Zahin can do, Zahin. Ilhan can do. I'm getting some drugs here. Dada. Dada is in Indonesia, they call it narkoba. If you need to draw this, please draw this, huh, boys? If you need to draw this, draw this. If you need to draw lah. You need to draw. So label the parts lah, boys. Hey, you all must be faster lah. Come so slow. The length is 30. Ilhan, the breadth is how much? The breadth.
I got 3.
3. Yeah. Oh,
Number
answer is 3.
three, number
Okay,
four.
good, correct. Yeah, well done. So the breadth is about 10 because they say this.
30
Okay.
divided by 3.
And then this one 30, same as the length.
30 divided by
Right.
3, so 30. Because the length is times 3 of its breadth.
Yeah, correct. Well done.
So
it's
30
10.
times 10 times 2. That times 30.
Yes, well done. Zahin, you get it, Zahin? Are you okay? No. Zahin, they tell you the length is to the breadth. Now we can do, the length is 3 times of the breadth. Breadth must be 1 lah. So now the length is 30. What is the breadth? From 3 you times by 10. You times by 10, breadth you get 10. How can I understand this one? Can? Or you read this one carefully. You must read this one. The length is 3 times the breadth. So this is, I can put 3 breadth here. So I want to find one breadth, 30 divided by 3, I get 10. The breadth is 10. And then they say the height and the length are the same. So the length is 30, the height is also 30. So 30 times 10 times 30, that's your answer, you get 900. How, Zahin? Zahin? Okay, na? Which part you don't understand?
They said the height is the same as the breadth.
No, they cancel down here, they cancel. Okay, if they say same as the breadth, then 30 times 10 times 10. So you get 3,000, but in this case, they cancel, they put length. Okay, no problem. That means more or less you get it, like the typo error is the one. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay, we just do what's here. This one may not come out. How, Zain? Answer? Just tell me, just tell me. Ilhan can do? You take that. Come on. Telur banyak pula. Ilhan can do?
I got number 1.
Number 1. Cannot be number 1.
Three.
Wait, no.
Zain
Also
said 3.
42 degrees.
It's 42. So down here, Ilhan, this is scissors like that. You know scissors, huh? I do not know whether you observe the scissors. Scissors, opposite angles will be the same. This angle and this angle same. So this plus this is 106. Okay, that means if you check, you should be able to see this one. This part of here is 106. How do you know? Because this one is 106. This one is also 106. Now, if you don't believe, okay, you can use chopsticks also. Okay, I have chopsticks out here. You can have a look. Okay. Or anything, you can use any 2 straight lines. This one not yet open. Sorry, or use your finger. I can see now, finger. All right, can see the finger down here. Ilhan, I do not know whether you're there. This side and this side, opposite side, are equal. All right, you can see, right? Like this lah. Opposite side here and here are equal. I make it smaller, both sides smaller. Make it bigger, both sides bigger. So that means this is equals to this. So 64 plus what equals 106. 106 minus 64 give you 42. Okay, we move on. This one you must know how to do. Secondary school, so you will have to learn this. Many students at secondary 1, sec 2 don't know how to do this. You have to calculate how much is 1, this one. You must know how much is it. Then you can do. How to find out? Okay, I'm going to teach you up. Zahin, don't lie like that. You'll fall asleep, Zahin. Come on, Zahin. You sleep like that. Knock out. We only got 15 minutes left. We are going to go chop chop. I have to be here for another 3 sessions more. Allah Akbar. How much is 1? How to do? Okay. You do this one first. Let's say I give you this, huh? So 107, huh? How much is 1? How to do? Like this. Watch, watch, watch. Take big number, step 1. Big number minus small number. So 135 minus 107. Minus, I get 28. Step 2. Divide. 28 is from here to here, 28. Divide by the number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. I count the inside part, 4. So now, next one, 28 divided by 4, you get 7. You get 7. So you plus 7, 114. Plus 7, 121. Plus 7, 128. Plus 7, 135. Don't count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, no, no. Inside, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do the same thing. Take bigger number minus smaller, divide by the number of parts. Then you get the same thing. But in this case, you will get a fraction. So just take 3/5 minus 1/5. How much you get? Then divide by the parts. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 parts. If you cannot see 5 parts, I'll show you 5 parts. If you cannot see 5 parts, you can draw like that. Then you can see clearly, you see. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts. You should be able to see the 5 parts. Ilhan, can do not, Ilhan? Are you okay? Are you with us? This one surely come out for sec 1, and sec 2. You must know. Ilhan, how much is 1 part? Zahin, how much is 1 part? Zahin, can do not, Zahin? Sleepy, yeah? Yeah, both of you, I think I'm sleepy,
1 part is 2.
1 part is 2 over what? 2. 1 part is 2. Oh, your answer is 2. Your answer is 2. 2 over 5. Not really. Watch, First step. Big number minus small number. 3, 5 minus 1 over 5 equals to 2 over 5. 2 over 5 is for one part like this. Is 2 out of 5. I want to find one small part like this because later I go to add what? How to find one for part? You count how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units is what? 2 over 5. What is 1 unit? 1 unit is equals to 2 over 5 divided by, there's 5 parts, right? Divided by 5, which is 5 over 1. So equals to 2 over 5 times, do the flip, 1 over 5. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 5 is 25. So 1 time, here you plus 2 over 25. You plus another 2 over 25. You plus another 2 over 25. So to find this one down here, take 1, 2, 5 plus, just now you said 2, 2, 2 is 6, right? 6 over 25. Then you will be able to get it. Okay, plus 6 over 25. Come, you try find the answer, come. This one 6, huh? Zahin, what's your answer, Zahin? And how much answer? This one 125, you must change lah. Change to 25 or 25 times 5. You all don't know. Times 5. So this equals what? This one 1, 10. Okay, hold on. 10 over 25 plus 6 over 25. So 10 plus 6, you get 16 already. So 1, 16 over 25. This is the one. Zahin, are you confused? Which part? Zahin, which part confused?
No, Z.
Z? They ask you
I
what
got
to
it
find.
now.
What's the Z? What here? You got it, huh? They ask you to find this part. So you count 1, 2, 3 parts. One part now is 2 over 25. We found out one part is 2 over 25. So down here is 2 over 25, 2 over 25, 2 over 25 equals 6 over 25. Lah. Then plus this one. So this plus 6 over 25 will give you Z. How's that in? Blur. Which part you blur? Which part you blur with?
One whole 10 out of 25, where you get that number?
Why I get what? 10 or 25. Oh, 1, this one 1, 2 over 5, right? So now, how do I change this to base of 25? It's 1 whole, then this one times by 5. This one times by 5. So this one becomes 25. That one becomes 10. Because I want to plus the 625. So you plus 625 become 116 over 25. Okay, Zain? Zain, why don't you wash your face, Zain? You look so sleepy lah. You look sleepy lah. You rinse your face lah. Rinse your face. Go and get something to eat or drink, chocolate or whatever. So we are doing tough stuff. Yeah? Okay, next one. Anybody got? Number 2 says Mr. Ilhan. What about number 4 says a thing? And both of you are wrong. Well, let me show you how to do step by step. Roger. They tell us Thursday he spent 28%. Total of his pocket money is 100%. If he spent 28%, we minus lah. Okay, we minus. I think I use this one better lah. I use this one better. Now down here, see here. Total is 100%. Now he used 28% of his money, pocket money. So he's left with 72%. All right. This is what he left. Now they tell us down here, read carefully down here what they say. They say he spent 1/4 of the remainder. Remainder is what? Is the 72% here. So now how? Well, very simple lah. Down here is 1/4 times 72 lah. 1/4 times 72, I think you get 19 lah. 19%. So Monday he spent 28%. Sorry, Thursday he spent 28%. All right. And then Friday he spent 19%. You add the 2% together lah. 19% plus 28% is equals to 47%. That is the answer.
Why is it 19? I got 18%.
18 ah? Oh, sorry. Sorry. You got 18, maybe you're right. No, I did mentally. Sorry, 18%, yes, you're right. I'm so sorry. So now that means you are correct and it is number 4. Mistake done by the thing. Okay, yes, Ilhan, you were asking something, Ilhan. Ilhan, you're asking something? Don't be shy.
Man.
You get it, eh? I hope you get it. So Friday is 1/4 remainder. Remainder is 72%. So great. If you get it, great, well done. Ilhan, you don't know, you must ask, huh? Don't be shy, please, huh? Algebra. If you do not know, you follow. Imagine this one is 3 lah. If you do not know, you want to find how to do this one. Imagine this is 3 liter. This one down here. Then you can do. If you don't know, I write another question now. Yeah.
I think it's number 4.
Number 4, Ilhan. Okay, well done. Well done, Shaheed. Shaheed has given an answer. Shaheed. Okay, we do step by step. Huh? But the answer is not there, Shaheed. So that means we got to find down here now. Okay, let's say now this is the question. each. Let's say now down here, this is the one. Greg got 18 liters of paint. He poured into 5 identical containers, and then he got 3 liters left. How much paint was there in each container? Find what is in each container. You take 18 liters minus the 3 liters first. You get 15 liters. This 15 liters is inside the 5 containers or 5 containers. So just take 15 divided by 5. You get 3, and the answer is 3 liters. Down here is the same thing. What do you mean by same thing? Down here, now do the same thing. So what do? Take 18 liters minus the 3. Now you minus the W. All right. After that, the answer divided by 5. So I'm going to adjust down here. That's now what we do. We take 18 minus 3. Then you get the answer divided by 5. Why 5 container? So answer is 15 divided by 5. You get 3 liters. All right, you get 3 liters down here. That is for the example. Now we are not looking at the example, right? Now is what? We are going to change the 3 to a W lah. It's the same thing. 18 minus W over 5. That is the answer. Now, you may be confused. So the only way to understand is for you to imagine this W is 3 liters, let's say. So this is the paint left over. So 18 minus 3, you get 15. This is the amount of paint that is poured into 5 containers. You want to find one container, got how much? 15 divided by 5, you get 3. Zahin, how? Blur. Zahin. Which part you blur? Which part you blur?
So the answer is what?
Answer is number 4 here.
Why you get 18 minus W?
Okay, then now that's why. Now we ask you, okay, now we're going to do this now here. Okay, Greg at first got how many liters of paint? How many liters at first, Zahid? 18, right? Yeah. So imagine now he pour into 5 containers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After he pour equally into all the containers, he got 3 liters left. How much is poured inside here? You got 18 liters, you got 3 liters left. How much is poured inside here?
18 minus 3.
Good. Now this is W. 18 minus W. That's the amount of paint poured inside here. Then you want to find in one container how many? Divide by 5 because there's 5 containers. So divide by 5. Are we okay? Are we okay? Okay, so Ilhan, the point is this. So Ilhan and Zain, the point is this. If you don't understand, change the W to number 3 so that you can be able to process in your head. Okay, now okay, this one. Ilhan, okay, no, Ilhan, you're sleeping, son. Very simple, very simple. Come on, Ilhan, you are in La La Land. And how we do together, Ilhan? What's this angle? How much is this? Shaheed, you know how to do?
Is it 90?
90 cannot be. This
No, I
is
mean for the
equilateral
PQR.
triangle here.
PQR.
Yeah, all three sides are 90 cannot be.
60
Actually, it's 30,
on
right?
all three sides.
Okay, so down here, 60, 60, 61 equilateral. So from here to here is also 60. From here to here is also 60. All you need to do is to find what this angle is. If you can find what this angle is, you are able to do it. What is this angle? You know, because this is side
51.
is equal to this side. Hold on now, 51. Hold on now. 51 is not here. So now you take 180. Okay, we go step by step. Hold on. 180 minus 102. We get 78. Right? Then 78, what do we do? You want to find one side. Divide by 2 lah. Right? And then you get how much? 39, is it? So you know this is 39 degrees. Oops, 39. You know this one is 39 degrees. And this whole thing, you know, is 60 degrees because it's equilateral. So last step is 60 minus 39. 60 degrees minus 39. You will be able to get an answer, which is equal to 21. Who is confused? Zahin, are you confused?
Got the
Zahin
calculation wrong.
Okay. Ilhan, you confused? Okay. Maybe you're just drunk lah. Mabuk. We got another 27 minutes more. We try now. And of book 8, question 15. Question 15. Think carefully, yeah? Question 15. So remember this one, Ilhan, down here. This one, remember, always remember you can draw a line like that. This tree is with Whitney. This one is Laila. Anybody, it's quite easy, quite easy. Shahin can do, Shahin. Cannot. Okay, come. Now down here, come. We can see. I'm gonna draw for you. They tell us that Whitney got 3, Lana got 8. So we can do like that. Whitney, Laila, 3, 8. Then she is going to give half to Laila. She's going to give half to half 3, cannot have 3. So we change the equivalent, I think, times by 2, times by 2. Get 6 into 16. Now she's going to give half. Whitney going to give half to Laila. So half of 6 is 3 lah. She gave 3. So 16 plus 3, 9. 3 is to 19. It is that simple.
Do you make the 6 to 16 equivalent ratio?
Yeah, equivalent ratio is 6 to 16. Why we do that? You look at the question. The question says, she then gave half of her cookies to Laila.
3 times 2 and 8 times 2. After that, you
divide this by 2.
Oh, okay.
Divide by 2 got half, right? So divide by 2, you get 3, 3 lah. So 1 over 3 you pass to down here, become 19. This one is 3. Okay,
Why both must divide by 2?
Why both divide by 2? No, only one divide by 2.
Because Layla have half.
You see, this girl, what's her name? Whitney want to give half of 6. And Whitney got 6 units. So give 3. Half of 6 is 3. Give to Laila. So Laila plus 3. 19. Are you okay? You all look bored lah. Don't be bored lah. Don't be bored lah. You maybe the way you sit. For me, you see, look, I'm sometimes if I feel sleepy, I have to rinse my face. And a booklet A, great. Booklet B. You try this 3 questions, please. 3 questions. You do. Once you're done, you can send your answer by chat. Send your answer by chat, please. Question 16, 17, 18. This one you cannot see our in dark. There's no divide, plus, minus, minus. Sorry, I just checked. This one can use or not allowed. Shaheed. Well done for the number 16. Well done, Ilhan, also number 16. 17, Zahin says, both correct for question 17, well done. Question 18. Ilhan, what's the unit, Ilhan? Almost there, Ilhan, almost there. It's a mistake. Cannot be, you only got 10 kg. How come one packet is 34 kg? Four gram, cannot. Zahin, what are you doing? Meeting was Zahin, huh?
I don't know how to do.
Very simple. Just 10.2 divided by 30. So how to divide by 30? You can divide by 3 first. So you divide by 3, right? Like that. Huh? See 10.2, right? Your answer you'll get is 3.4. Right? We do 3. Bring down 12. So 3.4. But now it's not divide by 3, divide by 30. So we have to do it like that. Divide by 3 and divide by 10. Why did 3 divide by 10? 3 times 10 is 30. So you break it up. Divide by 3 first and divide by 10. So your answer 3.4, you got to shift one decimal place, becomes to 0.34. Do you get it? All right, I'll show you again. You're supposed to get what? You're supposed to hold on. You're supposed to divide this by 30. But since you use this strategy, you divide by 3 first, then divide by 10, because 3 times 10 equals 30. Okay, Zahin, do you understand? We'll move on. Okay, 2 questions, please. Once again, once you're done, please send me by chat. Anyone send the answer? Zahin, are you awake, Zahin? Bangun, bangun. What's the answer for question number?
What do they mean by how much was the GST?
Aduh, dah ngantuk dah. 7% lah. What's 7% of 250?
7 of 100 times 250.
Yeah, that's it. That's all. How much is it? All done? So it's easy, yeah? Okay, now the next one. What is this as a decimal? 1219. You know how to change? You know or don't know? You know. Okay, now. If I give you 1215, do you know how to change? So you just take 1 5, 1 divided by 5. What's the decimal you get? What do you get?
0.2.
Good. So this one become 12.2. Right? Do the same thing now here. Take 1 divided by 9. Then you get 12 point whatever decimal you get. Can? You get 1.1111 or 0.111, is it? So make it to one decimal place, 0.1. So now 12.1 answer. Yeah, we got another 10 minutes more. So just a minute more. Don't lie down like that, Zahin. You're knocked out, Zahin. You're tidur. Zahin, don't, Zahin, wake up. Okay, this one you try to do. Again, they don't allow to use calculator. How?
$144.
Sorry? What is it? What again?
$144.
Cannot be lah. How you get 144? What's your working? Show me your working. Show me your working. You wrote on the paper. Can I see? Hold on. Wait. Okay, don't move. Hold on. Okay, thank you. But what do you write there? I cannot see. Just what do you write?
50 pieces, arrow, $16.
Okay.
200 pieces, arrow, 144. I take 50 times 8 to find 400. Then I do the same for the 6. I do the same for the other. So I take 16 times 8 to get 144.
Okay, all right. 16 times 8 get 144. Are you sure 16 times 8 get 144? Can you try check one? Sixteen times 8. Let me check. No, you don't get 144. 16 times 8 you get another number.
$128.
Okay, well done. All right, this one.
I thought my screen was on my camera.
Oh. Okay, never mind. Question 23.
Is the angle more or less than 90?
Our answer is less than 90. It's less than 90.
Wait, it's less than 90, right?
Less than 90, yeah. What is it about 90? Sorry? Yeah, I'll give you a clue now. This one, parallelogram. Opposite angle are equal. So this angle here is also 48. The one that I just color is also 48. Zahin, wake up, Zahin. Just a little bit more. You got another 5 minutes more. 5 more minutes. Can get or Ilhan? You can find you. This one is 48. What you know already? This one is 48. Cannot.
I don't know how to do.
Okay, so now this one now down here, this thing. Hold on now. This is now 48. How we know 48? Opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. So this is 48. This is 39. What is this here? Here, this one. You can find.
48 minus 39.
No, 180 minus 48 minus 39.
Or 93 degrees.
93 degrees. Then this one, 180 minus 93, you get this answer. 87. Okay, 93 degrees is here, right? So 87. So, yeah, you get it, eh? If not, I will show you down here. Now, these two are the same. So now down here, there's angles in a triangle, which is 48 plus 39 plus what we want to find. Let's say now we put it as x is equals to 180 degrees. So 180 x equals to 180 degrees minus 48 minus 39. Okay, you get the answer, which is what? How much is it? 90, 91? 93 degrees. Okay. Then down here to find this one on here, 180 minus 93 degrees equals to 87. So it's 87 degrees. Huh? Okay, we do one last one. Or we see if it's not, we may stop here. See if it's a simple one. Okay, what is this? Question 25. You know how to do this.
Answer 11.
Answer is 11, well done. Okay, you substitute the value here, you get 100, 100 plus 21, 1 to 1. 1 to 1 divided by 11 is 11. Okay, I stop here. All right, we'll see you next week. If you have questions, please ask. Zahin, got any questions, please ask. And can you make a photo of scan your test paper and send me once you're done, if you get it back. Okay, all right, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.